Hi guys, my name is Grace Otosin. In today's video, I shall be showing you how you can transform ordinary water to mineral-rich alkaline water. After filling your bottle with water halfway full, you can use sachet water or any drinkable water available. Big sized bottle water. Now you get your Alka-Force, shake it for a few seconds, let's say 5 seconds. You already first open your bottled water. The cover of the Alka-Force is what you'll be using to do your measurements every morning. You measure the Alka-Force halfway full. Halfway full is going to be beyond half of this cover, but not full. You pour into the water you already measured. You pick up the iomine. The same quantity of the Alka-Force is going to be the same quantity of iomine added to the same bottled water. It's already alkalized and rich with over 70 ionic minerals. This is what is called complete natural alkaline water. Drinking this type of water will not allow any disease to survive in your body. Now, if your body is free from chemicals, then that body will have the capacity to fight off every disease. And again, there is no disease that can survive once your body is alkalized. First thing in the morning is when you need to take this product, this water. As soon as you wake up from bed, you pick up and do the measurement and start drinking. If you can finish the entire bottle in 30 minutes, that is wonderful, because your body cannot be alkalized and disease live in that body. That is a simple secret why people take this product, and as soon as possible their disease will go away. If you can tackle the cause of the problem that you are experiencing, then the symptoms will no more be there. I believe with this simple illustration and explanation, you know how this product works. Thank you for listening.